Hi, my name is Anna, and today we're talking about the AccuRelief 3-in-1 TENS unit. I'm excited to talk about the multiple uses for this machine, the different preset options, and the smartphone app. Let's get started. Opening up the packaging here, we'll just move the quick guides, the instruction manuals off to the side, and you're gonna see your 4 different electrode pads, the charging cable, and flip it right side up, take off the clear plastic cover, and you've got the remote as well as the device itself. Now that we've got it open, let's talk a little bit about features. The first thing that I want to highlight is the multiple different uses for this machine. This device offers transcutaneous electrical nerve stimulation, or TENS, for pain relief, electrical muscle stimulation, or EMS, for revival and to strengthen those muscles, and a massage feature for relaxation. This device has 14 different preset options and 60 levels of intensity for a totally customizable treatment. As you can see, there is a remote that comes with this, or you can use the AccuRelief 3-in-1 smartphone app and control it from your phone if you're more of the tech-savvy type. Now let's put it all together. I'm just gonna pop in the batteries that it came with into the remote, take off the sticker that covers the display. Now that we've got the remote ready to go, we'll set up the pads. I'm gonna do my shoulder just because it's been bugging me. Comes with the 4 pads in there, and it even tells you how to get them set up. When you put the pads on, you want to make sure you're not putting them on a spot that's too bony. You want to make sure you've got enough muscle on there. Now that I've got the pads on, I'm just going to snap the device directly onto them. You want to make sure your device is turned off when you're putting it together. Now that we've got the pads all set up, you can use the remote or the smartphone app to control it. Select the mode you want to run it in, and you are good to go. Once again, this is the AccuRelief 3-in-1 TENS unit. My name is Anna, and if you want to learn more about this product, click the link below to chat with a virtual expert like myself. Thanks for joining me, and we'll see you next time.